So let's learn about efficiency. Whenever we are considering energy transfers, we have to remember that a proportion of the energy input is wasted, for example, to heat energy. Now remember that wasted means converted into forms other than the useful form required. So now we know that the input energy is converted to useful energy and wasted energy. But we would like our energy conservation systems to be perfect, with all the input energy being converted to the form that we want. For example, all the input energy of an electric lamp being converted into light rather than some being converted to heat. But real systems don't achieve this level of complete or 100% of efficiency. So the efficiency of an energy conversion system is defined as efficiency equals the useful energy output from the system divided by the total energy input to the system. And for sure, the useful energy output from the system is less than the total energy input to the system, so the efficiency is a ratio. And it's unitless because the numerator and the denominator have the same unit. And it never happens that useful energy output from the system would be greater than the total energy input to the system. It's always a fraction. Then, to calculate the value of the wasted energy, we have to subtract the useful energy output from the system from the total energy input to the system. So to convert the ratio of efficiency to percentage, we multiply the efficiency by 100%, as you can see. To differentiate between appliances, low efficiency means that the appliance has low useful energy, and high efficiency means that the appliance has high useful energy.